Yeah, I think he was definitely negligent. Like, it's pretty hard to drive down the highway and, you know, not see anyone pull over to the side. Like, even if, regardless of cones or flashing lights or anything, if I was driving down the road and I saw someone on the side of the highway, I would at least take my foot off the gas and prepare for, you know, anything.
I would say yes. I mean, it's hard to miss a road crew. He was able to push a Mack truck 900 and something feet. You know, you're not going to come out with, you know, you're going to have multiple injuries.
Right.
I believe.
It was impact enough to explosions, and the guy was ignited on fire. So, yeah.
I think, you know, the defendant definitely should have to, you know, pay the plaintiff something. He definitely needs to be compensated. But I think that the defendant, I mean, he didn't just walk away from this. He's also, you know, he didn't want this either. He's had some injuries. So, I mean, to have the guy sustain such injuries and completely drain his bank account seems a little rough. But, I mean, does anyone else think?
You're supposed to put out, you know, a certain amount of cones, which maybe he didn't do.
And do we know that?
You know, we heard from the experts, he didn't put out, you know, the necessary amount of cones. And the guy, he can technically work, you know, it shouldn't be. And I do think, you know, it may be a little, you know, when we get to the end of this verdict form, some, you know, he's has to be held accountable, I think, to some degree.